how to make a playlist on TikTok. So if you want to make a playlist on TikTok, then first of all, open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then here you can go for the upper right corner, which has the three-bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, here you can go for account option, which is on the first, and then here you will have an option which says switch to business account. Tap on that, and then now tap on next and next, and then continue, and you have to choose a category, and then tap on next, and here you have to add your email, and after that tap on add, and you can skip this part or maybe later. So this was the first step. The second step is you need to have more followers, like you need to have more than 1,000 or 2, 3. There is not a fixed number. There is no fixed number of followers, but you need to have more followers to be able to create a playlist on TikTok. So if you don't have like more followers, or if you don't have likes on your TikTok, then you won't be able to create your playlist. So for example, I don't have that much followers, and I will not have that option of creating a playlist on my TikTok. So if you have more than 1,000, 5,000 or 10,000, then on the upper side of your videos, your posted videos, you will have an option of create playlist. You can simply tap on that, and then you can create your playlist. So that's it. That's how you create your playlist. So you need to switch your account to your business account, and you will have that option. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.